gun lawyer.
Ohio gun lawyer Michael Truman here. We've got a couple questions about where you can and cannot carry with a concealed handgun license. First question is Johnny Ellison asks, Easton, for those of you out of town or out of state, Easton is essentially an open air mall that we have here in Columbus. Easton has no gun signs mounted outside on the light posts all around the area. So does this mean I can't even drive to the park with my CCW? Do these signs carry the same force of law as the signs to the entrance of the mall area? For no handgun signs on a parking area, they only have the force of law for a civil violation. Therefore, if you violate a no handgun sign in a parking lot, it is a civil violation only. It's not a criminal violation. You can't be charged criminally. On the other hand, no gun signs on the going into a mall, those do have the full force of law. If you violate it, it's a misdemeanor of the fourth degree. So the signs on the parking lot and on the streets do not have the same force of law as signs actually going into the mall building. Next question, Tony asks, I attend a private university in Ohio. This university has a policy that forbids weapons on or about the university premises, including ones in the car and in the parking lot. At the same time, it's my understanding that Ohio law allows persons to be in a university parking lot with a firearm as long as it's in the motor vehicle. Your assessment of the law is correct. In Ohio, you can have a firearm in your motor vehicle as long as it's locked in the motor vehicle or you're in the process of locking it in the motor vehicle. So essentially, you can get out with the firearm on your hip, walk it back, and place it in your trunk. So, Ohio colleges may or may not have prohibitions on firearms in a vehicle or in a parking lot. For instance, I believe Ohio State allows no firearms on their premises, period. So, if you have a firearm in your vehicle, you might not be violating the law, but you would be violating Ohio State's code of conduct. Therefore, you couldn't be charged criminally, but Ohio State could still punish you or kick you out of school. So that's a call that you'd have to make on your own. That's it for today.